Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories, where learning English is simple, fun, and real. I'm Leo, your host for today, and I'm very excited because I have a special guest with me. Please welcome my good friend, Tom. Hey, Leo. Hey, everyone. I'm happy to be here. And wow, today's topic sounds interesting. It is. Let me start with a question for you, Tom. Why did you start learning English? Good question. I think at first it was because of work, but later I found more reasons, and more fun ones too. Exactly. That's what we're talking about today. Why people learn English. Everyone has a reason, maybe for work, travel, school, or love. And knowing your reason can help you stay motivated. That's right. When you have a clear reason, it helps you keep going, even when learning feels difficult. Yes. So let's look at some of the most common reasons people learn English, and maybe some funny ones too. Tom, do you like watching movies? Oh, yes. I love watching American movies and TV shows. Me too. And that's one big reason many people learn English. Entertainment. Yes, exactly. When you understand English, you can enjoy movies, songs, and even video games better. Right. And you don't have to wait for subtitles. Yes, when I started learning English, I wanted to understand my favorite band. Their songs sounded cool, but I didn't know what they meant. That's a great reason, because when you enjoy something, learning feels easier. Yes, it doesn't feel like study, it feels like fun. And you remember words faster when they come from your favorite show or song. Exactly. I know people who learned English just from video games. That's true. When you play online with friends, you need English to talk and win. So entertainment is a fun, real, and powerful reason to learn English. Now let's talk about traveling. Tom, do you like to travel? I love it. But traveling is easier when you can speak English. Yes, English is like a key that opens doors in every country. Even if you visit a country where English isn't the first language, many people still speak it. That's true. So when you speak English, you can order food, ask for directions, or talk to locals more easily. Yes, I once went to Japan. I didn't speak Japanese, but I could talk with people in English. It really helped. And you can make new friends from all around the world. Exactly. I met travelers from Germany and Brazil. We all spoke English. It was like our common language. That's one of the best things about English. It connects people. Another big reason to learn English is work. Yes, many companies today want employees who can speak English. Exactly. If you can speak English, you can work with international clients or even work abroad. That's right. And it's not just for jobs. English also helps at school or university. Yes, so much information on the internet is in English. If you understand English, you can study almost anything. That's true. You can read articles, books, and research papers from around the world. Right. But Tom, do you think work and study is enough to stay motivated? Maybe not. If you study English only because you have to, it feels heavy. Exactly. You need a personal reason, a reason that feels exciting. Yes, because when you want to learn, not just need to learn, you'll keep going. Okay, let's talk about a fun one. Love. Ah, yes, love. That's the most powerful reason of all. Have you ever met someone who started learning English because they fell in love? Yes, one of my friends did. He met his girlfriend online, she spoke English, and he didn't. So he learned fast. Yes, love is great motivation. When your heart is involved, you'll learn fast because you need to talk. Exactly. You want to share your feelings. You want to understand them. So you study hard. I think that's the most natural way to learn. Real emotion equals real progress. That's true. When learning is connected to life, it never feels boring. Okay, so let's review, Tom. We have 4 big reasons to learn English. 1. Entertainment, movies, songs, games. 2. Travel, easier and more fun. 3. Work and study, more opportunities. And 4. Love, the strongest motivation. Yes, and maybe one more. You. That's right. Your personal reason is the most important. Because when learning English feels personal, you'll keep going, even on hard days. Exactly. So, my friends, what's your reason for learning English? Think about it. Is it for travel, work, fun, or maybe love? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know your story. And remember, it doesn't matter why you start. What matters is that you keep going. Yes, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep enjoying the journey. And maybe one day, English will open a new door for you. That's a beautiful thought, Tom. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you, Leo. It was great fun. And thank you, my friends, for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more daily English listening stories. Keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, every word you learn brings you closer to your dream. See you next time, everyone. Bye for now.